In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons that lead to another page in Carrd. If you're building a simple site or a multi-section landing page, a clear button that sends people to the right place can make navigation effortless. Let's set one up so a single click takes your visitors to another page. Start by opening Carrd and loading the site you want to edit in the builder. You'll see your canvas in the center and a toolbar nearby. To add a new element, click the plus icon and choose Button from the list. Carrd will add a default button to the page. It can be styled and positioned later. For now, we're focused on making it go to the right place and work reliably. Next, click the button on the canvas to open its settings panel. This is where you control what happens when someone clicks it. Look for the field labeled URL. That's the destination your visitors will be sent to when they tap or click the button. Type the full address for the page you want to open. For example, you might enter https://yoursite.carrd.co or a specific subpage. Double-check spelling and make sure the protocol is included so Carrd recognizes it as a valid link. If you're linking to a different website entirely, paste the exact URL you want. Using the precise address helps avoid broken links and ensures visitors land exactly where you intend. Before you finish, open the Allowed URL Types option. This quick check lets you confirm the kinds of links your button is permitted to use, such as standard web links. It's a simple way to make sure only safe, expected link types are accepted. When you're done reviewing, select OK to apply your choice. That's it. Your button is now configured to send visitors straight to the page you set. Clear, descriptive button text and consistent placement will help people understand where they're going and find what they need fast.